Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex here. So today's date, it is the 25th of April, 2024. It is a Thursday afternoon at about 2:50 p.m. as I'm doing this midweek video update. Okay, let's dive straight into this update. So before I get started, just as usual, a quick disclaimer first. Whatever I share, it is just for education purpose, not a recommendation to tell you what to buy or what to sell. So let's have a very quick recap of what I said, okay, on Monday, okay, afternoon. At the start of the week, I said that, due to various factor, market breadth, market internals and such, okay, and I think that the market actually could have a short-term rebound. So my time frame was about 1 week. So my view is that the market could have another leg down. And one of the things that I actually shared, it is this seasonal roadmap over here. I suddenly didn't pull up, so I have to find this. Just give me a moment over here. Okay, so was this data over there? I said that maybe at the start of until the end of April or so, the market could have another downlet. I think we are approaching somewhere there already. Okay, but okay, there's still a but. Okay, so the market is not so easy to decipher. Okay, so as of now, you can see that the futures S&P 500 futures actually starting to come down because of the tech earnings, especially the Meta Facebook earnings over there. So this was what I actually posted in our Telegram public channel. These are some of the after hours spotlights where some of the companies announce their earnings over there. Okay, so you can see that this Meta, okay, in fact, even though it beats expectation and revenue in line, right, there's a everything is quite okay, right? But the stock is actually down 11.6%. But all in all, you can see that, at the start of the week, when I say the market could have a rebound, okay, the market actually rebounded. This is the Russell 2000 futures, okay, so price went up. So earlier, the start of the week, I mentioned there are a few stock I mentioned, right, or ETF. One is this IWM. This is the Russell 2000 ETF. IJR, also the small cap ETF, and also mention some of the things that I'll go through later with you. So you can see that IWM price nicely went up until hit the cloud resistance level. So it's not surprisingly that actually there's some form of resistance level over there. And then IJR, this is also went up pretty nicely as well ever since on Monday. So actually, if you actually take some swing long, you should have some profit right now. Personally, okay, I have entered into IJR. I entered into IJR long. So right now, my reward to risk ratio, it is about somewhere around 1R. So I'm still holding on to it, but I will most likely trail my stop already. And if you look at the members area over here, I actually shared on the comments after I posted, because after that I went to look again. You can see that water resources PHO, what I call FER ETF lah, also look pretty interesting, can keep in motion. Personally, I have also entered long on PHO. So PHO, you can see over here, it actually went up pretty nicely as well. Okay, hitting some resistance level over there. Okay, and the rest, like for example, I mentioned like FIS. Okay, I also entered, but right now it is slightly underwater. I entered on a Monday, so somewhere around here. So come back a little bit down. My stop is not at the bottom, so it is still in play. I'm still holding on. Okay, and the other one I have, it is ECL, which is also mentioned in the Monday video. So just went up slightly. You can see that actually price closed above the wash line. So I actually enter on Monday itself. Okay, and then price actually went up a little bit high. Yesterday went up higher, but do take note that the earnings is on the 30th. So there's a 100% chance, okay, I will exit the position, okay, before the earnings. Yeah, 100%. But I don't know hold through the earnings. I don't know what the shit will happen in the earnings. So I'm still holding also IJR and PHO, it is doing pretty well, okay. So these are the position that I have. So as of now, I won't be looking to long any position, long new position. I think 4, it is good enough really for now, okay, for now. So looking back to the seasonal data, so that was what I mentioned. Okay, maybe towards the end of April, there could be some another leg of correction. But having said that, okay, I can sense that a lot of people are thinking that right now the bounce could be just a dead cat bounce, So, and with the earnings, Meta earnings that's not so good, right? So many people were actually expecting this another leg down. So personally, I won't think, this is just based on my gut feel, that the market won't make it so easy for for the price to just come down like that. Personally, I think there's a chance that, the market might do like this. This is S&P futures, so might do like this, come down and then go back up a little bit higher more, okay? And then people will really think that, this is really a bullish reversal, okay? And then, trap people to go long again. That would be the ideal scenario. But, we shall see how it goes. Let's see tonight. So I'm not so eager to long and not so eager to short right now. But I think there are really too many people expecting that this is another leg down already. So I don't think the market will make it so easy. So if the market can do what I anticipated, go up here, come down, and then go a little bit higher, which I call a complex, pullback. Okay, CPB complex pullback. So complex pullback, it is a two-legged move, like 1, A, B, C. Usual pullback is like that, might immediately come down already. But this is 1, 2, 3, then come down again. Okay, so this is a complex pullback. So let's see whether it will happen tonight. And looking at previously what I mentioned, right, this New York exchange McClellan summation index, right? You can see that it's starting to point up higher, which is quite usual. As in not usual, as in it is normal, because the market for the past 3 days has been going higher. But what I am anticipating is that price maybe could do something like that, go up, go down, then come out another leg down, that kind of thing, or go up and leg down. So it could be doing something like that. Hopefully it does this, then that will make my life as a trader easier. But of course, we will know what will happen. Okay, we will know what happened. So as I mentioned, right, and looking at the one that I shared previously in the public Facebook Live before, this is the decision point gallery. Okay, this is the page where you can see a lot of things over there. You can see over that the where is it, the McClellan? Yeah, over here. So prior to that, I said that actually the McClellan was actually very oversold. Was the first time, okay, in 3 years, other than the lowest time in October. This was the second lowest for the past 3 years. So really, okay, it bounced higher. So of course, price went higher for the major indices and some of the stocks as well. So went higher, okay. And yeah, so again, we are right now just at the midpoint. So okay, quite neutral. You can still continue to go higher, okay, or it can come down, but it is pretty neutral right now. It's not that oversold. So the best time to go long was actually on Monday. If you missed it, okay, now if you try to go long right now, it seems to me that you are trying to chase already. So I mean, of course, it depends on certain stocks, but personally, I won't, like me, don't enter into the small cap ETF, IGR and RWM or ECL or the FIS. You are a bit too late already. Okay, all right. That's what I feel. But you can also see that this percentage, okay, the market breadth, okay, the percentage of stocks above the 20, 50 and such. I can see that, of course, short-term wise, market is over at a very oversold level, had a bounce already. But medium-term wise, okay, you can see that it is still not at the lowest yet, okay, which means that market could do, go up a little bit and then come back down. Then, of course, if the market can do another leg down, then this is with the price above the 50-day market breadth, okay, it is at a low, then it will be the best time to buy. But maybe now it's not so low yet. It could do, you know, something like that. You can see that, you know, this is a rebound up and then come down again, you know, go up a little bit, come down, go up, then come down again to a low. Okay, then go up. You can see that after a very steep sell-off in the market, go up again and come out. So somewhere around maybe near the 0 to 15% region, then that will be the absolute best time to actually go long the market. Now it's not that easy to decipher. Okay, all right. So having said that, okay, go to the S&P cash index. Okay, so of course, you know, this is the zero gamma level 5050. Okay, yesterday closed above the zero gamma level. Okay, which means that the net gamma is positive for the options dealer, so that will make the market actually less volatile. But of course, you know, after hours, okay, because of the Meta earnings and such, right, the S&P actually, I think, came down lower. So tonight, okay, if the market stay as this way, so you can see that the market right now, the S&P futures is down 0.6%. The Nasdaq 100 futures is down 1.2%, which means that today, if the market stay this way, all right, you get down. So it's still below the zero gamma level. So overall, we still need to be a little bit careful. So again, okay, I wish I can tell you what the market will do exactly, okay, but the honest answer is I don't know. So when there is the turning point, then it's always very difficult to gauge whether that is the real turning point or not. So having said that, okay, we still use the our market data, seasonal data to help you. So as of now, okay, I'm starting to look at some of the bearish potential stocks over there. So this was in the members area. Go to the report download section. You can download the bearish stocks. So we don't look so far ahead. Okay, just keep this in your watch list from the 25th, that is tonight, to today, until the end of April. So okay, so it's 25th until 30th. So you can see there's actually quite a number of stocks. There's actually quite a number of stocks over there. So if you can see over there, the sector, quite a number of them are in the consumer goods. Okay, I think consumer goods, I think it could be consumer discretionary and also consumer durable and consumer staple. But from what I see, mostly is consumer discretionary. Okay, all right. So take a look, and there are quite a number of stocks out there. I don't know what you're using. I mean, you can get this ticker symbol, put in your watch list or whatsoever, can copy them, okay, and sort according to the market cap. There is no market cap here because it is very difficult to put market cap because, you know, these data are done in advance. So the market cap always changes, okay? The market cap always changes as the day go by, can move up or move down. But nevertheless, okay, this is the list of the bearish one, okay? But for now, I'm not so keen to go long now. But of course, you know, who say that I'm always right? But if you think that, you know, the market could have some legs to go higher, you can also look at the bullish data as well. Okay, this is the bullish data. So, but for now, I'm more keen, okay, to prepare myself for the downside. But again, there's some discrepancy here because, you know, personally, I think the market could still continue to go up higher. Okay, if the market can continue to go higher, then of course the current long position that I have, IJR, PHO, FIS, ECL, will benefit. Okay, but if the market really, okay, does come down, then, you know, I maybe could hedge it, okay, by having some short position, a few short positions. Okay, all right. So this is the list over there. So the one that I'm looking at, I have in mind a few of them. Okay, so based on this list, okay, I screened some of them. So the one that I'm looking at, it is actually GES. This is consumer discretionary. This is the fashion retail. Guess you should know it is pretty famous. Okay, Guess a retail luxury brand, So you can see that this is the chart of Guess. Overall, you can see that, you know, it went up pretty nicely here, Okay, but you can see from the, it's still okay. This one, yeah, no, not this. Okay, let me add this back to this. Okay, can see that price for gas, okay, price was pretty nicely uptrend, but you know, once price is below the CPR, okay, then try to head back up again, and it seems that price is hitting a resistance level again, pretty resistance level again. Okay, and for the gas, okay, you can see that yesterday there is a wash and rinse. Yesterday there's a wash and rinse, and also you can see that there is this hammer candlestick pattern. Okay, again, don't come and argue with me whether this is a hammer or not hammer lah. Okay, to me that I treat it as a hammer or pin bar. Okay, so or even though the body is slightly longer, okay, you can see that price there is a lower shadow, and also after inside there where this is the price, and then its price is inside over this candle over there, and then price will go up, go down, and then go up, back up again. So it will actually, this kind of price action will actually lure a lot of retail traders to go long. They say, oh, I've come down already, see a inside bar, then a pin bar, a camel head pattern, they come up. So yes, they have some profit, but after that, you know, price might just come down like that. I don't know, but this is based on the seasonal data over there. Okay, you can see for gas, right? The data for gas is over here from the 29th of April to 22nd of April. Okay, for the past 10 years, it ended lower, okay, for 9 years. And these are the bearish favorable date, which is somewhere near now. This is gas. So you can see that the wash line, it is actually this high over there, where the prior bar candle closed higher than the previous day high. So the high, it is actually exactly at $26. Okay, exactly at $26. Okay, so you can see that, you know, the price yesterday actually closed lower than the wash line. So I mean that, you know, I haven't gone long. I haven't gone short on this. Okay, but this is just to for you to keep in your watch list. Okay, but again, I'm not so really so keen to short now lah. I mean that keep in your watch list. See how the market react tonight. Maybe, you know, if you can stay a bit later, then see a bit later. Don't immediately short at the open lah. Okay, all right. So I'm still quite uncertain about the market. Okay, this is just keeping your watch list first. Guess. Okay. All right, another one that is also consumer, I think is consumer staple. It is consumer discretionary. I think this is consumer discretionary. This is Macy. Is it Finviz? Let me just search. Let me see what Macy. Consumer discretionary, consumer cyclical. Okay, consumer discretionary. So this is Macy over there. You can see that, you know, Macy, after a huge surge, okay, you know, consolidating, okay, and then right now price is still below the CPR, okay, and then price is also below the cloud for now based on the day time frame, okay, and then trying to find support at this somewhere around this area and tested, you know, and then there's a pin bar again, okay, maybe trapping some longs to go to buy, but cannot, okay, another trying to go higher but cannot. So all in all, price does look a bit weak to me. So yesterday there was also a wash and rinse trigger. So this was the wash bar where price closed higher than the prior bar high. So the high, it is 18.93. 18.93. Okay, so yesterday it closed below the wash line. Okay, so you can keep this in your watch list and see where the price can go down lower like that. Okay, also the previous one was actually gas, so this is just to show, so easier for me to show people. This is the kind of the outlook that I'm giving. So this is gas, it could be like that, I don't know. Okay, this is gas. Okay, and then this is Macy. So let's see whether price can do that. But again, I want to just remind you, don't be so quick finger to go short tonight. So I mean that for me, I would hold back a little bit first. Okay, maybe, I don't know, maybe until 12 midnight, that kind of thing. If you can tahan, I mean that can hold on to it, then see how the market will do tonight. Okay. don't be so double quick time to short. Another one that I'm looking at, it is actually NX. This is a small cap stock. This is industrial. So you can see that price actually also go pretty nicely trending. Industrial been pretty trending nicely. So once again, you know, price dropped below the CPR. Okay, and then right now, once again, you can see that what candlestick pattern is this? Okay, this is a pin bar. So you trap some retail people to buy. Okay, once they buy, price come down again. So once again, there is a wash and rinse. So the wash line, it is actually high, 33.88. 33.88 over there. So it also triggered over there. Okay, so the best scenario, it is actually if the market can go higher tonight, okay, but all these so-called seasonal weak stocks did not go higher and continue to go down a little bit lower, then that would tell me that, you know, these stocks are weak, okay, these stocks are weak, then they'll be more favorable to short. Okay, so if the market opens tonight, you know, somehow along the way positively higher, and all these stocks continue to go higher, then you ignore the trigger first. Okay, as I mentioned, don't be so quick to short again. My best scenario is that, you know, the market to actually come down a little bit like that and go higher, then over here, then that is the best time to short again. Maybe at, you know, next week or early May, that kind of thing. Okay, so this is my personal view. So this is just a quick update. So yeah, and I wish you a good midweek ahead. Thank you so much, and bye bye.